Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I just wanted to share with you some cards that I made. I'm not going to show this video till after my grand girlies' birthdays are done. I have three granddaughters who are all having birthdays here pretty soon, and they're all going to be 9 years old within 9 days of each other. So yeah, it's a lot of grand girly birthdays coming up. So I made these great cards, and I just wanted to share them with you. So this one here is the Towering Maze card. I've already done a tutorial on this, and I used this as a prototype, but I decorated it up more, and I'm going to use it for one of the girls' birthday cards. And then I made these two. So I just wanted to share these with you real quick, and then I will come back at another time and do a tutorial on the other two. So this is the Towering Maze card that I did, and it's 6x6. It just has a simple closure on the back. I did put a little sticker on here that says Made with Love by Grandma M, and thought that that would be kind of a nice thing. Hopefully, if you know, they keep it and they can remember that Grandma M made it. So there you go. It opens up like this, and I just embellished it and I added some really cute things. But the reason why I call it a towering one is because it just keeps going up. It was supposed to be a maze card, but I glued it wrong and then went, aha, I just kind of created a new way of doing this card. So left this part here so that I could do the writing on here. Added some cut aparts from the paper collection that I used. Added some more cut aparts here. Just kind of decorated it up. Bring on the cake. I like that part. Put happy birthday on this. Okay, and then it goes like this. Added some more cut aparts and some stickers here. Another cut apart here. And you can see it just keeps going and going and going. It looks like a birthday cake to me, so I thought this was kind of actually perfect. Added this Today We Celebrate You, and then she's going to be 9. So again, this is my Towering Maze card. I have already done a tutorial on this, and I'll put a link to that below so you can see that. Turned out really cute. I think she's going to really, really like it. So there's that one. That's the first one. Now this one here is one of the wave card, or not wave cards, excuse me. This is a pop-up card. This is 8x8. I was trying to figure out the measurements on this because I did see a tutorial by another, and I forgot to write her name down, but I'll get that in the description. But anyways, she did an Instagram video that was really super fast, very quick, no measurements whatsoever. And so I sat down and watched it like 100 gazillion times, and I think I figured it out for an 8x8 size. So anyways, I used pattern paper because I was like running out of bits and pieces, and I created this cake, stickers here for like icing, and then I added some little strips of paper, happy birthday in the center. I fussy cut this little zebra out, and then I fussy cut this little happy birthday banner up at the top. Okay, the back looks like this. Again, little sticker says Made by Grandma M. And when you open it up, this is the cool part. So it kind of has this explosion effect that opens up. So I did figure it out for this size. I will come back and do a tutorial on how I did it. But again, the gal that originally showed it, I don't know if it's her original design or not, because there was really no information and there were no measurements. And like I said, it was one of those videos that was really sped up and quick and no information. So I really guesstimated, but I think I figured it out. So I added these little panels here, and then this is where we're going to write our message on the card. Okay, and it just closes up like that, so it's pretty cute. Now the last one I made is a wave card, and this one is 8x8, and I kept the size because the girls that are getting these cards are twins, so I wanted to kind of keep the sizes the same, but I did different cards for them. 8x8 again, and this one opens up this way, and this is a wave card, and so I just kind of adapted that pattern to this. This has been around for a while, but I just did some different things with it so that it fit this particular size. And then again, because I'm right-handed and it's easier to write on the right side for me, I did the wave backwards from what most everybody else does it, starting from here and going this direction. But I did change that up so that once the card is written, it's easier to write on. So I added the panel here, stickers and things to put that there. So that's kind of what I created. I hope you can see that. I'm trying to kind of move it around so you can see. Really cute, I think. It turned out really nice. So there's that. So just a quick show and tell, and I will be back with tutorials for sure for this one. I'll give measurements for this one. I don't know. I'll probably do it all, but this one already has a tutorial. I'll link this one below. This is the Towering Maze card. I've already done that. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Stay crafty, and I will see you after the birthday parties.